family, and welcome to Cooking with Norma, where we make fast and frugal meals that you and your family will love. Guess what day it is, family? It is Quickie Tuesday. Yay! And I have a treat for this summertime meal. It is brown butter and sage chicken guacamole melt. And family, I'm telling you, it is superb. We're gonna take some chicken breasts. We're gonna put a little bit of sage underneath. We're gonna brown some butter on the skillet. After it cooks, we're gonna top it with some guacamole that I've just mashed and a little bit of shredded Mexican. Now, that's all it takes, family. Join me at the stove for this Quickie Tuesday. Drop some butter in there. We're gonna take our chicken and put our fresh sage underneath. I'll drop some sage down in our butter. I love the summertime because I love being able to grow my own herbs. So these herbs came out of my garden, family. This chicken breast we've already seasoned with some salt and pepper, family. That's it. We'll let it brown on each side. Then after it browns, we'll put our guacamole, which we've mashed with a little bit of lime, and our Mexican cheese. We'll put it in the oven on broil just for the cheese to melt. And voila, family. That's all it takes. So the chicken is done, family. We're gonna top it with our guacamole. And remember, I like a little lime in my guacamole, so I put some lime in it, family. You can buy store-bought guacamole, family, or you can just buy your own guacamole and mash it up. Of course, our favorite store, Aldi, makes this meal very easy to prepare. And there you have it, family, your summertime Quickie Tuesday, brown butter and sage chicken guacamole melt. And this is a quickie, family. You don't need a husband, a boyfriend, a partner, or a significant other. Just you and your dinner entree. Don't forget, family, subscribe, like, and share so that your friends can also get the amazing meals that we fix together here on Cooking with Norma. Bye, family.